Valuable time for her baby to grow inside the womb.
I know that you said the average was 33 weeks. Of course, we hope to get there.
If you're still pregnant at 36 weeks, you would eventually get delivered at that point. My greatest concern
Whoever gets the pillow.
not really do anything, it could just